today's focus is mostly on how to learn to do a proper swing and also as well as a good front rack. And towards the end of the class, I'm gonna take these guys to a full circuit and see like how that feels. Boom. And again, when I count here, I'm going slow. Gotta make sure those legs are fully planted here. You should be feeling a lot of attention to that hip flexors. So you're pretty much going to your 90-90 plus a shoulder rotation. 1 minute on the clock, let's go. Oh yeah, baby. Tilt it down, I'm gonna push, I'm gonna drag, pull it back up. In 3, 2, 10 seconds in.
That push is not easy.
Keep it as close as we can to our body. Gotta tighten up, pressurize your core, drive. I'm gonna reset here. I wanna go slowly with the tension touch, drive up.
Check that booty!
One hand, I want on the front rack. Why? Because I want you to practice the front rack and have an idea of a good front rack. Very good.
It is not easy.
This other hand has a reason. I push it, goes where it needs to go.
Coordination in the waist.
Like, I don't think I'm doing this like,
woo! Oh my God, my poor feet.
I'm gonna again go to my deadlift. Here, when the kettlebell is fully seated, you're not good to hiking in yet. I'm gonna get it loaded. Now my kettlebell is loaded, right? From here, 1, park. 1, park.
That's right. The lens, yo.
It's too light for me, man! It's too light!
Then I hike. The hike is your starter. If you have a bad hike, your whole swing is just gonna look like shit. So, if the kettlebell is here, as I'm hiking, I'm gonna extend my leg a little bit. I can bring it as close as I can. Don't worry, it's not gonna hit you. My core is tight.
Alright, what an upgrade, eh? From that one to this one.
First one, now you know the swing. You're gonna go for kettlebell swing to high pull. This is a little more skill, but once you get it, if you're not getting it, just do your swing. So that's how it's gonna look like. Kettlebell swing, high pull. Go around the hips. That's it. No swing. Just around the hips. Oh, this is fun. Next one, kettlebell deadlift to front rack squats. Tight. It's not resting. So after your deadlift 2 squats, kettlebell down. I know you're not resting though. Yo, hike, swing. Put it, boom, and drop. Hike, swing, put it down.
Farshad's so good at this, makes it so easy. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Farshad's classes are easy.
That was easy. Easy.
That was only round 1, man. We gotta do that again?
How was it?
Nap time.
I thought kettlebells were easy.
That's tough, man.
So easy.
Different than just picking things up and putting them down.
Alright guys, thank you for watching today's kettlebell class. I'll see you guys later.